Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You open the YouTube app and make sure you're signed into the account whose notifications you want to remove. Once signed in, tap your profile icon at the top right, then go straight to Settings and choose Notifications. Make sure the app is up to date first, because menus may vary. Updating prevents surprises. After you land in Notifications, you're ready to turn off broad categories or dive into specific channel controls. So start with the main notification toggles you see now. Now you adjust the middle settings. First, toggle off broad categories like subscriptions, recommended videos, and live notifications to cut most alerts. Once done, review delivery methods, push, email, and SMS, and switch off the ones you don't want to receive. Then handle per channel control. Visit any channel page, tap the bell icon, and choose None or Custom to stop or limit that channel's alerts. Make sure to review up next, and community posts entries, so you're not missing a specific type of push. Finish by restarting the YouTube app, and if needed, your device so the new settings take effect. Double-check that changes saved in YouTube's notifications screen. If notifications still arrive, go to your phone system settings and disable YouTube notifications there. If that doesn't help, clear the app cache, sign out and sign back in, or update the app. These steps reset persistent states. If problems continue, uninstall and reinstall as a last resort, and then reapply the notification choices you want.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.